went into town today. We went in the Works, which sells sort of a lot of art stuff, doesn't it, Paul?
Yeah.
And this is what we got from the Works. We got these paint brushes. And I got this shade of paint. And that's for using on this guinea pig. Because I've been colouring the fur this brown colour as a contrast with this original gingery colour. And I also got something to try out with Scout. Yes, you know your name, don't you? This squishy ball. I wanted a pink squishy ball, but could only get like this neon orange. It was a real pity they didn't have neon pink. But I thought I'd try Scout because he does play with this 3D printed red ball, and it looked like it was about the right size for him as well. It's supposed to be for relieving stress, but I'm wondering if Scout will actually play with it. Try and kick it. I'm not sure he could actually kick it, but it'd just be interesting to see if he actually takes notice of it. What do you think of this ball, Scout? You're not sure? What's wrong with it? He's walked towards it, Paul.
Smells different.
Scout, come here. Come here.
He doesn't want to.
Yeah, he's very disobedient. Scout, come here. Come here. Scout. You coming? It's unusual for you to come. Hey! He's actually obeyed. That's very unusual for Scout. Very unusual. You normally just shake your head, don't you? Yeah. He's a cheeky boy. What do you think of this strange ball I've got you? You're supposed to put your chin on it and go to sleep. Scout, look at this squishy ball. Oh, do you not like it? You don't like it? Why? It's the wrong size. It's the wrong size.
Not right. Not right.
She's got happy eyes. I'm watching. I am, I'm watching. You like it after all? Paul's trying out its stress relieving properties. How is it, Paul, for relieving stress?
That's pretty good, yeah.
Pretty good.
Yeah. Sort of lose yourself in it.
You lose yourself in it.
Yeah.
It is extremely squishy.
Oh, look at that. I wonder if it can burst. It seems to be filled with something.
Oh, like what?
I don't know. Hopefully something that doesn't damage things if it comes out.
Do you not say on the box what it's filled with?
No. If this product bursts, please discard it immediately to avoid stains.
You're joking?
No.
Oh my word. That's not very good, is it?
That wouldn't be stress relieving, would it? But, yeah. If it burst on your new clothes.
He's just gone over to it. And he looks like he's like sort of lined himself up, doesn't it, Paul?
So it does, yeah.
He's sniffing it again.
It's got his nose in it.
Look at that!
That's a strange reaction.